Hello there, welcome to Kyle's Auto Sales. Here we got a beautiful 2021 Toyota Corolla. She is the LE with the premium package. She is running, so we're going to walk around and take a listen. She sounds good. She looks good. Beautiful shine. She has a clean title. Clean Carfax, one owner, minor accident to the front bumper. Carfax said she hit an animal, but not to worry, there's no damages there. Said she hit an animal, so you can tell there's whatever it was has been repaired or was nothing at all. Look at the shine, gorgeous. One owner, low mileage. She only has 14,948 miles. Just looked at the dash as that little brief pause there. Almost 15,000 miles on this baby. 15,000 miles on a 2021 Toyota Corolla. Let's take a look at the inside. Excellent condition. Has WeatherTech floor mats. 14,948. Just read it again. We'll take a look at the back. WeatherTech floor mats back there too. And we'll come on around to the trunk. Let me move my papers. We'll come back to those. And let's see the tools. And under the tools, we have the spare tire. Put all this back down. And here's my papers. This is the features. This is on my website, so you don't have to pause and try to figure it all out. Just go to my website, which is kylesautosales.com, and take a look at it. And there's the Carfax. Got a 4-cylinder engine, front wheel drive, one owner. And there's where she hit the animal. It was rated minor, so not a big deal. And like I said, there's no damages up there, so whatever it was has been repaired. And it does have a clean title, so you don't need to worry about that. There's the back seat. Very nice, excellent condition. And move up here to the front passenger seat. AC is blowing so cold, I can feel it. Feels so good. Does have the owner's manual. There you go, big thick owner's manual there for you. Oh, that AC feels good. I'm gonna jump around right here in just a little bit and enjoy some AC. Tires are almost new. They have plenty of tread. '21 Toyota Corolla with almost 15,000 miles. You heard right, 15,000. This is like a new car. All right, let's enjoy some AC. Oh, it's starting to rain on us. That's okay. That's what those drops are on the windshield there. Here's your controls. Lane control. And let's zoom in on the odometer here. 14,948. Almost 15,000 miles on a 2021 Toyota Corolla. And let's take a look at the stereo. I'll bump it real quick for you. Turn it down so we don't have rights to the music. We don't get to enjoy it on here. 68 degrees in here, you know I like that. Push button start. Automatic transmission. There's the fob. And let's go back up here. We do have the backup camera. And let's go through the menu. Got your Bluetooth. Does have Apple CarPlay or Android. There's your Wi-Fi. Notifications. Let's see, what's projection? Okay, my phone is not connected because I'm just doing this for you. Let's hit home. You do have Sirius Radio, free for 90 days. I'm trying to think of anything else to tell you. You can find the list of features on my website. Just go on there. I've got that paper that I showed you a while ago. It's on there. So you can see everything. She's got all kinds of bells and whistles. We got to enjoy her for over 100 miles, and she was wonderful. I think it has sign detection. It has vehicle awareness, so it slowed down when it noticed the vehicle in front of us slowing down. Very safe. Very nice car. No issues. She's very nice. And only 14,948 miles. Zoom on that again. 14,948. 98 degrees outside. Woo! Telling you what, feels good in here. It's not 98 in here, it's 68. It's nice. All right, I can't think of anything else to tell you or show you. So I guess I'll get out and give you one more walk around. I'll pop the hood and let you look at the engine. Hear it run up close and personal. Think of anything else. We are located at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Call me at 704-213-0169. Well, I guess the only thing left to do is go back out, show you the engine, and give you one more walk around. Give you a blast of the stereo again. Nice stereo, 6 speakers. Very nice, very nice. Can't go wrong with this 2021 Toyota Corolla with 14,948 miles, one owner. I can't think of anything else, so I guess it's time for me to go back out there in the heat. Yeah, let's get this done before the rain comes in. All right, I'm gonna go show you the hood. Let me pop the hood. All right, let's hop back out there and put my window back down. It's starting to drizzle a little bit, but that's okay, we won't melt. Maybe it'll cool it off a little bit. It's really, really hot. Beautiful 2021 Toyota Corolla with almost 15,000 miles, one owner, minor accident to the front bumper, hit an animal, which has obviously been repaired. All right, let me see if I can show you the engine. Those are just water drops on the hood. It's starting to drizzle on us. There's your engine. 4-cylinder, purring like a kitten. All right. Give you another walk around, and that's going to do it. Please hit like and share. I'd very much appreciate that. And please tell your family and friends. And if they buy from us, you get $100 free money. So please share. We're here to help you. Send me an application through my website, kylesautosales.com, or you're welcome to use your own bank. If you're a member of the credit union, by all means, I recommend them. All right, I guess that's going to do it. Beautiful shine on this baby. 2021 Toyota Corolla with 14,948, I believe. Soon to be 15,000 miles. Clean title. One owner. Minor accident. Look at the shine. Got a few raindrops on there, but you can still see she's beautiful. Beautiful car. All right, you have any questions, give us a call. 704-213-0169. Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. I thank y'all very much. Y'all enjoy your summer. Come get this Toyota Corolla and go to the beach. Yes, enjoy this heat in the water. That's the only way to enjoy it. Just take her to the beach and have fun. Thank y'all very much. Y'all have a wonderful day. Enjoy your summer and stay cool, because I'm about ready to. I'm going to jump in here and cool off with that ice cold AC. All right, y'all have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful summer. Stay safe. Come see us here at Kyle's Auto Sales, 2040 East Ridge Road, Salisbury, North Carolina. 704-213-0169. Find me on the web at kylesautosales.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.